Easter. Today we are going to talk about Easter, another Christian holiday that has become a big commercial event in the UK. Easter takes place over a weekend in March or April. It moves every year as the date of Easter is determined by the spring equinox and the following full moon. In the UK, there are 2 bank holidays at Easter, one on Good Friday and one on Easter Monday. Many shops are either closed or open for shorter hours on Easter Sunday and sometimes the surrounding days. Because Easter takes place on a long weekend during school holidays, it is a very popular time for going on holiday. People who work Monday to Friday jobs can get 10 consecutive days off work using only 4 holiday days. However, it can be expensive to go away at this time of year, as it is a busy time for tourism. For people who choose not to travel, Easter is often a chance to spend time with family. Many families have a roast dinner on Easter Sunday, often slightly fancier than a regular, traditional Sunday dinner. There are lots of fun customs associated with Easter. Children are visited by the Easter Bunny, who brings chocolate eggs. Easter egg hunts are held, and Easter bonnet parades, where children wear brightly coloured, crafted Easter hats, take place. These usually feature spring animals, such as bunnies, lambs, and chicks. My favourite part of celebrating Easter is definitely Easter chocolate. I don't know why chocolate tastes better when it's egg-shaped, but I think it does. Every year, I try to go to the supermarket on the Tuesday after Easter, early in the morning, when the shops first reopen, and stock up on reduced sweet treats. I usually find some very good bargains and end up having enough chocolate to last several months. What's your favourite type of chocolate? Do you celebrate Easter? What do you do to celebrate? Let me know in the comments.